For those who did not watch, in class and need to see it one more time, the first thing you're going to do is go to your search down here in the left, type in Snipping Tool. I right click and run it from my taskbar, and you can do just the Snipping Tool. I have it already, so I'm just opening it up. I would say new. The screen goes hazy. The first question was asked to get the percent key. There's the percent. Oh, I have to get it to move down. I'm just going to go to edit and copy it. Go to the cell that needs it, and I'm going to paste it in. There's the answer to the question. If I need a new one, I'm going to click the snippet again, and I'll just go to new. And the next one that I might need to get is the merge and center. And I would go to copy and go to the cell that I have to paste it in, and I'm done. That's as easy as it is to use the snipping tool. For those who missed the in-class instruction and the tutoring, you are to use the snipping tool. You will first come down here to the bottom left, type in Snipping Tool, and there it is. I right-click and save it to my taskbar. Being that it's already in the taskbar, I'm just going to click it. I'm going to do a new, and it comes up. This is what it looks like. You get a haze over the screen. It's already got the cursor in the right mode. Go to the percent for the first question, copy and edit, go to the cell that you want to paste it in, and paste it in. Again, if I go back and I say I want to do a new one, I'm going to go new. This comes up. If I have to do these, then I would do file, copy, go to the cell I want to glue them in, and paste them in. I have to do a save, and everything would save to where it belongs. If you have any further questions, ask.